Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to clean only certain rooms on your Roborock app. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have the Roborock vacuum. How do you actually go ahead and only clean certain rooms within your home? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you're first going to do is that you're going to enter the Roborock app, and then you're going to find the vacuum that you want to go ahead and edit. So click on enter. And then from here, you're going to click the rooms that you want to go ahead and clean after you click the room tab on the bottom hand side. So notice how I have full selected right now. If I click on rooms, you see how it toggles between both. Click on rooms, and then you're going to see your home that is grayed out. So what you need to do next is that you need to click on the room that you want to go ahead and clean, and notice how it starts brightening up. And so with that will be able to allow you to clean certain rooms using the Roborock app. And then once you want to go ahead and clean these two rooms up, you just need to click on the play icon on the bottom middle side. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and clean certain rooms with your Roborock app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.